Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Social Security card replacement. First, let's determine eligibility. Most United States citizens, 18 years or older, with a United States mailing address can apply for a replacement card online. There are limits to replacements, 3 per year and 10 over your lifetime. However, cards issued due to a legal name change or a change in work authorization status do not count towards these limits. Next, you will need to gather your essential documents. The Social Security Administration requires original documents, or copies certified by the issuing agency, to prove your identity and United States citizenship. For identity, a current United States driver's license or a state-issued identification card is typically accepted. To prove citizenship, you can use a United States birth certificate or a United States passport. Photocopies are not accepted, so ensure you have the originals ready. Once your documents are ready, it's time to apply. The most convenient method for many is online through your personal My Social Security account. If you cannot apply online, you will need to complete Form SS5, which is the application for a Social Security card. You can then submit this form, along with your original documents, either by mail or in person at your local Social Security office. After submitting your application, you can expect to receive your new Social Security card in the mail. The typical processing time is about 10 to 14 business days. Please note that same-day replacement cards are not available. Once you receive your new card, it is crucial to keep it in a secure location. Your Social Security number is vital for many aspects of your life, so protecting your card helps prevent potential identity theft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.